Welcome back to the channel. This is a comparison video of 3 different generations of BlackVue 900 series dash cameras against a VIOFO A229 Pro. All 4 of the cameras are a 4K ultra high definition front camera. I'll show you daytime footage, and then I'll show you footage of a similar driving segment at night so you can compare them day and night. I'll show all 4 cameras at the same time, and then you can compare that against the nighttime segment right after it. I've aimed the alignment for the front cameras to the BlackVue cameras at a 60-40 split per the recommendations from Pitasoft, and the VIOFO dash cameras aimed at a 50-50 horizon split. Please note the focus quality of the new BlackVue DR970X 2-channel LTE Plus front camera is a bit soft in some areas. This is actually one of the better cameras that I've received from BlackVue in this brand new 970X Plus series with the STARVIS 2 IMX678 image sensor. Before someone starts rushing down to write a comment about the placement of the DR970X dash camera that's in the upper right hand corner of this comparison, I'm aware it's not the optimal position on the windshield, but it is the only position available still not blocking my line of sight while driving. Couple of things to note for the nighttime footage. For the VIOFO A229 Pro, I do have HDR enabled. The new setting in the firmware is disabled right now to show HDR when it's enabled, but I did confirm that HDR was enabled during this recording session, and I show that in my status line info that I display. The other thing I like to point out is the exposure level for the new DR970X Plus footage is kind of dark compared to the other cameras, even the 2 previous generations of the BlackVue series dash cameras.